Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install OpenVAS on Kali Linux 2024. Open terminal, then first update the packages. Sudo apt update %& sudo apt upgrade. Okay, then install OpenVAS. Sudo apt install. You can give OpenVAS or GVM, hit enter. See, it is going to install GVM and installing dependencies. See, Greenbone Security Assistant, GSAT, GVM tools and this library. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed GVM. Now, Control A. Now we have to set up the GVM. Sudo GVM -setup. Hit enter. See, it has created a PostgreSQL database user and granted the permissions. See, this is the password created for the user admin. See, this is the username and this is the password created for the user admin. Okay, let me copy this one. See, download also completed, scan also modified. See, one more time, this is the username, that is admin, and this is the password. I kept it in this text editor. Okay, now to verify whether we have successfully configured or not by running this command. So run sudo gvm -check setup. Hit enter. See, it is checking the see here, your GVM installation is not yet complete. Okay, so it is recommending us to run this command. See, error is scap data are missing, so we have to install this one. So copy it, copy this one, paste it, hit enter. See, it seems your GVM 23.11.0 installation is okay. Okay, so which means we have successfully installed. Now start the GVM. Sudo GVM -start. Hit enter. See, GVM services are already running. Now open browser, connect OpenVAS by using the command view the HTTPS. It is not HTTP. HTTPS colon 127.0.0.1 port number 9392. Hit enter. Now click on advanced, because here warning potential security risk ahead. So it is CS certificate issue. Okay. Then click on accept the risk and continue. Username is admin. Password is, see, this is the password. Copy it. It is paste it and click on sign in. See, this is the dashboard. Now we will see how to stop and start the OpenVAS on Kali Linux. Sudo gvm stop. Hit enter. See, now it is stopping. Try to reload this page. See, this site cannot be reached. Now start it again. Just replace this stop with start. Hit enter. At a moment it is going to restart. Reload the page. Now provide the username and provide the password. Copy it. Sign in. Okay, we have successfully logged in. So in this video we have seen how to install OpenVAS on Kali Linux 2024. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.